Believe it or not, this giant American flag starts with tiny pieces of plastic. The pellets are melted and pushed through microscopic openings, creating incredibly thin synthetic fibers. Those fragile-looking fibers are twisted together into strong yarn that can survive demanding outdoor conditions. Before becoming fabric, the yarn is tested for strength, consistency, and durability. Next, thousands of strands are woven together until they become a strong, lightweight fabric. The fabric is then specially finished to improve its durability and performance outdoors. Now the plain fabric receives the 3 colors that will define the finished American flag. Every roll is inspected to make sure the color and fabric quality remain consistent from edge to edge.
Once approved, the colored fabric is precisely cut into the exact pieces needed for the flag.
The red and white pieces are carefully aligned and stitched together to create the iconic stripes. Then the blue field is attached, completing the basic structure of the American flag. Then hundreds of precisely positioned stars are embroidered onto the blue field. Extra reinforcement is added around the areas that will experience the most stress. Before leaving the factory, every detail is inspected, from the stars to the smallest stitch. After all those steps, the tiny pieces from the beginning have become something massive. And that's how tiny polymer pellets become a giant American symbol, ready to fly.